Today we learn kitchen utensils. Let's start.
Please like and subscribe. Frying pan. Fry up yummy pancakes or eggs for breakfast. Stove. Heat up your soup or make pasta boil and bubble. Pot. Cook big batches of chili or spaghetti sauce. Rolling pan. Roll out dough to make cookies or pizza crusts. Pressure cooker. Cook food super fast like a magic kitchen gadget. Oven. Bake cookies, cakes, and roast chicken to make delicious treats. Coffee maker. Brew a warm cup of coffee for grown-ups or hot chocolate for you. Blender. Mix up smoothies and shakes with fruits and ice. Toaster. Toast bread to make crispy, golden slices for breakfast. What we learned today. Recap once more time. Frying pan. Stove. Pot. Rolling pan. Pressure cooker. Oven. Coffee maker. Blender. Toaster.
Please subscribe and like the video for more.